Hi, it's Lee Farnell here, and I want to share with you some tools and ideas on how you delegate and scale your business no matter what the size. I've just done a number of coaching sessions this week talking to people about how to take the load off their own shoulders and successfully get someone else to be doing the job, but not just do the job well. The Japanese have a term for this. It's called makasiru, to entrust the job to another, to leave the job to another, but also setting them up so they're successful rather than just saying, do the job, good luck, and then when they fail, they're in trouble. No, it's about giving them the tools, the structure, the framework to be successful at the job. We call it the sandbox model of empowerment and delegation. We say give people a sandbox to play in so that you stay out of that sandbox. Give people a sandbox to play in, whether it be reception or sales or management or project management or IT. But how do you do it in such a way that you're setting them up for success? Well, here it is in a nutshell, the sandbox model of empowerment and delegation. First thing you've got to do is let people know what are the outcomes you want from the job. We call it SMART outcomes: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, relevant, with timeframes. SMART outcomes. But not only that, why that job is important to the company, the big picture. So if it's sales, clearly it's important because we need revenue. We want life flow, blood flow, oxygen, revenue. Mate, sales is critical. At the same time, if you're in accounts, making the accounts accurate, on time, timely, so that we actually have reports, so that the invoicing goes out, so that the money's collected, that's just as important to the growth of the company. So we want to give people not just the job, but meaning, purpose behind the job. Step two is then we want to talk about rules and guidelines and systems. This is the way we want you to do it. This is the way we don't want you to do it. Provide contrast. So we want to provide them with rules, structures, guidelines, and again, ideally, you've got that documented in either written form and or video form, and then you've got it on an online learning platform, Online Learning Academy, again, which is what we do at Everyday Empowerment Institute, to not only help you capture these systems, but then have a system so that people can easily access those jobs, the rules and the guidelines. Step one, what it is, the goals, the outcomes. Two is the how. Then three is how we're going to measure you on your success. Is it sales revenue? Is it accuracy? Is it timeliness? Is it efficiency? Give people some targets and KPIs for the task and project. We've got what we call a KRA sheet to help you with that. It's beyond a job description, and not only that, it's way more concise than a job description, but also let them know this is how I'm going to follow up. I'm not just going to leave you high and dry. There's going to be follow-up. There's going to be feedback. So every Monday we're going to meet, or every Monday and Friday we're going to meet, or every morning at 9 o'clock we're going to meet. What is the feedback process and mechanism? And I'm going to coach you. We're going to coach you and help you get better and better and better so that we support you, not just leave you high and dry like a shag on a rock. So the sandbox model has 4 key components. You want to find out more about it, touch base with us, but the sandbox model truly empowers and sets you up for makasiru, a successful handing over and delegation, taking the load off you so you can scale and grow your business, and you literally, in the ideal world, you end up with a business that can run successfully and profitably without you. Want to find out more? Touch base with us at Everyday Empowerment Institute so we give you clarity today, empowerment today for growth tomorrow.
You see, the thing is, Everyday Empowerment Institute, we're 40-year specialists in everyday empowerment performance technology. We recommend you have an Everyday Empowerment Performance Technology meeting with us. And that's a performance technology mini workshop meeting with you and your key managers or stakeholders that's going to make a real genuine difference to the performance of your business. You know, we say you don't need more full-time employees. In the first instance, let us work with you to show you how we can achieve more with what you have right now, how you can achieve more with the same or even less. And by the way, in these COVID-infected times, you need to have ways to COVID-proof your business, to keep the wheels moving in a COVID-proof systems environment. We can work with you to define those key areas for your growth and development in the next 30 days. And we'll work on those areas for free and implement our performance technology systems. Our programs are about deliberate creation. It's a conscious, deliberate creation of new systems, new projects, new actions that make an incredible difference to your business, not only in the 7 days and 30 days, but over the next 1 year and 2 year and 3 years and beyond. Let's work together to reverse engineer the future of your business success. We reverse engineer what success looks like, and we reverse engineer the future numbers. Then we put an empowerment roadmap in place using our Parthenon model. See, this is an obligation-free 30-day trial. And if at the end of that trial you don't want to continue, that's fine. You can use what we've given you in your business, and we'll wish you all the best of success. If you want to then go on further and you've seen enough of the benefits you've already got, we'll take you to the next step. Even in the first 7 days, you're going to have the clarity necessary to see clear benefits from what can be achieved. Take the first step, give us a call, and we'd love to assist you, and you're going to be thrilled with our 30-day free performance technology trial. Download the booklet, call to book a meeting, and discuss the 30-day free trial now.
Thanks for listening.